Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate D-Log 10-bit on your DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. To do that, let's activate the camera. First thing we're going to have to do is switch to the video recording mode. Go to the mode selection menu in the top left corner and select video. And swipe left and scroll down to color here. In color we have two options, normal and the flat 10-bit profile, which will let us adjust the colors in post-production. We can also choose whether we want to enable or disable color recovery using the toggle on the right side of the screen. To apply changes, just click OK and that's it. To return back to the normal mode, just switch back. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.